welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can complete the set making the skirt, okay? Remember in the last video we made the top, the colorful top, and you like it. So that's why I decided that I will share the second part, the skirt, okay? But well, remember before we start, it's important that you subscribe and we will use the same material list from the top, okay? Okay, to make the skirt, we are going to make a strip of chains that goes all around the hip or the waist. It will depend where you want your skirt, okay? I will continue using this base color. So we will make first this strip of chains. Well, and then when we have the strip of chains that we want, we are going to make a double crochet row, one in each chain. And well, as I told you at the beginning, you will decide if you want this skirt that have a high waist or that go under the waist. You will decide also if you want from the top you can continue until you make the skirt, and like this, like that, you will have a dress, right? Or you can make the skirt and you can make it longer and join it with the top too. You will decide. And well, once we finish to make this double crochet row, we are going to make 2 or 3 rows more because I'm going to make a kind of belt to divide the waist, okay? And then there I will put a bottom. So well, here at the end of the row, turn around and I will continue making more double crochet. Like I want to put a bottom, I will leave the eye for the bottom. So I will make 2, 3 rows and I will skip 1, 2, and in the third I will insert the hook and continue making double crochet. So here we can have the space for the bottom, right? Well, and like this we are going to continue the whole row. In the next row we are going to respect the double crochet that we escape, okay? So we are going to make double crochet over double crochet until we have this size. Well, I'm going to skip until here because I'm going to leave this space free so I can use it to fold it and for the bottom, okay? So please take that into account. Sorry I didn't mention it before. Yes, I'm sorry. But well, you can adjust, and I hope you are watching the video first. So here I'm going to slip 2 stitches after the bottom hold. And well, after this row we are going to close to continue making the skirt in circle. So far we are going to make the mesh a mesh row, okay? So we are going to make double crochet, 1 chain, and right next to it again the double crochet. We won't skip any space because I want to open a little bit the skirt to make an A shape. So that's why I'm making the double crochet, 1 chain, and right next to it I'm inserting the hook. So like this we are going to continue the whole row. If you don't want to have an A shape for your skirt, well, you can skip 1, okay? But let me see if at the end of the row it's enough or I will reduce. So let me see and let me finish this row. Well, at the end we are going to finish making 1 chain and we are going to slip 1 in the first double crochet to close. I think that it's enough. I like it how it increased, so I can have the A shape that I want. And also it's important, please take that into account, your curves, okay? Maybe you have a big ass so please take that into account and you can make this to to increase, and it can perfectly fit. But remember, I will complete the set, so I will use the same colors that I used to make the top. So I will continue and I will respect the combinations. Now I will change color to start this row. So according to the combination, now I have to use the orange color, right? So I will go up with 1, 2, 3 rows, and then here in the same space I will make a second double crochet, and I will repeat the same in the coming spaces. Okay, inside I will make 2 double crochet. Remember, in the top we used to make 1, but here I want to continue open more this skirt, so I will make 2 in each space to double crochet. Okay, I will give you homework because I have to go to the doctor, but I will explain you. Look, so we will continue, and at the end of the row we are going to slip 1 to close, right? So imagine that here we finish. Now with this color that I didn't cut the thread, if you could notice, so I will pull it in the back, and now I'm going to start with the next row. I will make 2, 3 chains, 4 chains, okay, 5, and then I will make a double crochet after each 2 chains, and then 1 chain. So I will make the mesh row. Okay, I will make 1 chain between each double crochet, and I will insert the hook between the last 2 double crochet. And at the end we are going to slip 1 to close. Then in the next row we are going to change color, and we are going to make the row that we made like with the orange color. Okay, and then when we finish again we are going to make this mesh row, and then we will change color again and make this the row that we made with the orange color. And like this we are going to alternate and change the colors. And remember, always making this blue row as a base after we change color until we get the length of the skirt that we want. And also, while you make more rows, you will see if you need to reduce some spaces, because maybe you have a lot of volume, so maybe you will need to reduce. Please try on and make a decision. Okay, well, look, while I was waiting with the doctor, I crocheted this, and it's looking great, right? I finished with this row, but guess what? I think that I didn't correct. I left the same instructions that I show you. I didn't change, but I think that to me it's a lot of volume. So maybe if you want to, instead of not skipping, maybe you should skip. But you will decide. Please take that into account, the shape of your body. Maybe these instructions are good, so please, before you make a decision, maybe make a sample and try on. As you could see here, I put a bottom, but you can put a brush or make a flower or crochet a bottom. Okay, so like I made a mini skirt, uh, I will measure it. Measured approximately 30 centimeters. And well, here at the end, you can leave it like this, or I will make an extra row with the blue color that I use as a base. Okay, and I will make a crab stitch row. Please also, every time that you finish one row, please try to hide all the threads that you may have, because later it won't be difficult, but you will be lazy too. Okay, so if you can, please make it. And like this is how we make the crab stitch. Remember, it's the single crochet but backwards. And well, with this row we finished. And well, at the end you are just going to iron with a steam using a protection under, remember, very soft and gently. And with this we finished. Now let's see how it looks, and please, if you make it, take a picture and tag me. I love to see you making this creation. And also you can make a dress and you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. Please let me know, and I want to see also the combination that you make. Well, so what do you think? So easy, right? I tried to make it as easy as I could. I hope that the explanation was clear. Look here in the back, I put the bottom. I think that the shape looks good, even though I wanted to have like more tube skirt, but I like it. Remember that you have to take into account your curves, the shape of your body, and maybe you will be more comfortable, but you will see. Please try on, and I hope that you make the top too. If you miss it, I will share the link here in the description box below so you can see the top and you can complete it making this set. But well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me also in all my social media, sorry, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and I'm in TikTok too. But well, thank you so much, and don't forget to give me a like and to share it. Thank you. Bye.